An increasing number of industrial enterprises are acknowledging the significance of IIoT and edge computing in the digital transformation of their businesses. Through edge computing and IIoT, businesses can expedite innovation by digitalizing processes and enhancing operational effectiveness and efficiency. This approach also aids in waste reduction, energy conservation or sustainability, and overall performance improvements. Moreover, the reliable and secure acquisition and processing of data are indispensable elements within the scope of industrial automation. The UC1200A and UC2200A series ARM-based computers offer a compact, reliable, and secure edge computing solution. The computers are built around a powerful 64-bit dual-core CPU and come with auto-sensing Ethernet ports and 2 serial ports, as well as IEC 62443-4-2 compliance. The shockproof and vibration-resistant UC1200A and UC2200A platforms come with an MTBF of nearly 1 million hours and a 5-year warranty. Furthermore, the computing platforms are engineered for use in a wide operating temperature range, are extensively tested, and come with multiple industrial certifications, making them ideal for deploying in the harshest conditions of oil and gas, renewable energy, and factory automation applications. Unforeseen power disruptions can jeopardize the integrity of the computer file system and disrupt operational continuity, which highlights the importance of a sustainable OS. Moxa's Industrial Linux, a robust Debian distribution, is a stable, sustainable OS solution. Moreover, it comes with an extensive 10-year long-term support that includes regular security patch updates, ensuring uninterrupted operations. Capitalizing on Moxa's global presence and the optimized UC1200A and UC2200A series solutions, we're ready to facilitate your large-scale deployments across the globe.